Hi everyone. This video is a guide for your Year 10 subject selections next year. An email will be sent to your Hume Central email address that is titled Your Web Preferences Access Guide. Open and carefully read the email. The procedure shows each step, so you can always refer back to the email if you're unsure what to do. You will notice a link that says, click here to open Web Preferences. This link brings you directly to your student portal without requiring any login details. Check the top left-hand corner if your profile is correct. If not, let your mentor teacher know. Read the instructions carefully before proceeding. The number of classes for each elective will depend on the number of students who select that subject in their preferences. If the school decides not to run a subject that you have selected, then it may be replaced by one of your reserved subjects. Now, add new preferences. The instructions at the top in the red banner shows that you need to select a minimum of 11 subjects. The core shows mentoring, English, and mathematics. The electives show 5 subject areas: art, health and physical education, humanities, science, and technology. Further down, we have another elective section where you are able to choose more electives that you would like to complete in semester 2. There are also reserved subjects in case your desired subjects are full. The final section shows an optional elective for VCE or VET. If you do not want to choose a VCE or VET subject, you may leave this blank. However, if you wish to accelerate for VCE or VET, you may select a subject. This will require a further screening process, and there may be a quota for the subject. This means that if the subject is full, you will be unable to be enrolled in the subject. Now, everyone must select mentoring as preference 1. Everyone must select English as preference 2. EAL students will have their preference changed to EAL afterwards. Everyone must select General Math as preference 3. Students who wish to complete math methods must receive a recommendation from their math teacher. Students who enter pre-general math will also receive a recommendation from their math teacher. These changes will occur after your subject selection submissions. Select one art subject for preference 4. Select one health and physical education subject for preference 5. Select one humanities subject for preference 6. Note, in the case that you want to select Spanish as a subject for the entire year, change preference 6 to Spanish semester 1, and change preference 9 to Spanish semester 2. However, if you only wish to complete Spanish semester 1, then you only need to make the input for semester 1 in preference 6. Select one science subject for preference 7. Select one technology subject for preference 8. Select any additional subjects that you would like to complete for next year for preference 9, 10, and 11. Make sure they do not clash with any of the subjects that you have already selected above. In preference 9, 10, and 11, You can choose more subjects that are suited to your liking. Say, for example, if you prefer subjects in art, then you may choose more art subjects. So I might choose drama, media. However, there's only a total of 4 subjects that you can choose from the same subject area. You may add an optional VCE or VET subject if you wish to accelerate. However, note, you cannot choose a Year 11 VCE subject that is similar to a Year 10 subject. For example, you cannot choose 11 VCE Food Studies if you select Year 10 Food Studies. If you do, an error message will appear when you click Proceed. Please make the corrections accordingly. So you may either leave this blank or you may choose another VCE or VET subject. Once complete, click Proceed. At this point, you have made your subject selections. If you have made a mistake, you can click Return to the subject selection page by clicking Cancel. Make the subject changes and click Proceed again. The red banner at the top requires you to add a parent or guardian email for their signature. If your parent or guardian does not have an email address or has trouble accessing their email, you can put your Hume Central email address and ask them to sign. Fill out the email address in the bar below and click the plus symbol to add. You can add multiple email addresses. A display of your subject selections are displayed in the next section. The section below requires your signature as a student. Sign, save the signature, and click Submit Valid Preferences. Congratulations! You have now successfully submitted your subject selections for next year. Again, a summary of your subject selections are shown. Read this section of the receipt carefully. As you have signed it, it is now a legally binding document. Note, make sure that your parent or guardian signature is also provided. You can see the email address here that it has been sent to. To provide your parent or guardian signature, open the email that has the email subject line, Web Preferences Parent Signature Email. In section 1, click any link to access the parent signature. You can either click here or click this long link. Again, a summary of the subjects have been listed with the receipt details, the student signature. Now sign, save the signature, and submit the signature. You can submit your subject selections only 2 times. To make further changes thereafter, you will need to consult your mentor, teacher, or team leader. This instructional video is now complete. Feel free to pause the video at any point rewind, and replay. Thank you for submitting your subject selections.